Struggling to lose weight despite trying every diet out there? You're not alone. Many people face the same challenge, but what if I told you the real problem might not be the diet itself but how you're preparing your meals? Yes, meal prep could be the missing link between where you are now and the weight loss success you're craving. We all know that eating healthy is key to shedding those extra pounds, but let's be honest, who has the time to plan and cook every meal from scratch? When life gets busy, it's easy to reach for fast, unhealthy options or rely on takeout that's loaded with hidden calories and preservatives. Here's the secret. Meal prepping is your golden ticket to making healthy eating easy, affordable, and, most importantly, sustainable. Meal prepping doesn't just save you time, it ensures that you have healthy, portion-controlled meals at your fingertips, ready to go whenever you're hungry. Plus, it takes the guesswork out of eating and gives you the freedom to stay consistent with your weight loss goals, even on your busy days. So, how can you make meal prep work for you? Start by choosing simple, balanced meals that fit your taste buds and nutritional needs. Focus on lean proteins, fibrous vegetables, and healthy fats. Batch cook and portion your meals into containers to keep you on track. For example, grilled chicken, roasted veggies, and quinoa make a perfect base. You can switch it up with salmon, brown rice, and steamed broccoli one day, and then turkey, sweet potatoes, and sautéed spinach the next. If you're looking to shed pounds, plan for low-calorie but filling meals that pack a punch. Consider making big batches of salads, soups, or stir-fries. A great tip: keep the dressing or sauces separate to avoid sogginess and ensure your meal stays fresh throughout the week. Want to make it even easier? Invest in a slow cooker or instant pot. They'll help you create healthy, low-effort meals in large batches, so you can simply grab and go when hunger strikes. The best part? Meal prepping doesn't have to be a chore. You can create delicious, satisfying meals that taste amazing and support your weight loss goals without feeling deprived. Ready to give it a try? Your future self and your waistline will thank you.